Hi guys, welcome to my Macy Style Crew page. So this is my first video. So lucky enough, like I got so lucky that I've been asked by Macy's to be their Style Crew ambassador. So yeah, I'm the newest style ambassador, guys. So right now I just want to show you how I did this lipstick using MAC products. So I use MAC Spice lip liner and MAC Runway Hit lipstick and just a clear gloss on top. So I'm gonna be giving you a tutorial on how I did it. So by the way guys, if you see this video, go check out my YouTube channel as well. It's the name is KateSoRandom. Yeah, just the same as my Macy Style Crew name or user ID. So yeah. So guys, I'm just removing my lipstick. Yep. So that deflates. You know, the fillers. Alright. First off, I use this MAC Spice lipstick in the shade Spice, and then go into the toner. Alright, yes, so I just line it here on this side, the edge, and then in the middle I didn't line it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a line in the middle, like really press down on it. See guys, it looks like an illusion of like, you know, like Angelina Jolie lips. Yup, like that, and then line the top. I overline my Cupid's bow. I draw over it because mine is not really defined. So sorry guys, I'm not an expert. There you go, and then I fill it in. You can actually go without any lipstick on top. It still looks nice. See, with just lip liner. There. Alright, so it's kind of dark. So I have my MAC Runway Hit. This is a retro matte. Here it is, guys. It's like a it's lighter in camera, but it's like more of like a darker, kind of similar to this but lighter. So I'll just I try not to like line, just dab a little bit on there. See? Somebody requested about this lipstick video. That's why I'm making it. I'm not an expert, guys. I didn't say I'm an expert. I'm just showing you how I do mine. I'm nowhere near an expert. Oh my god, I suck. Okay, and then I just use whatever. I just found it in my makeup stash. I just use it a clear lip gloss and put it all around. It's just like, you know, plumps it up even more. Alright, that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first Macy's Style Crew video. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please, wait for my other videos. This is very exciting venture for me, so I really appreciate appreciate each and every, you know, subscribers on YouTube. if you came here because of that YouTube video that I posted about my style curve, thank you so much. And yeah, bye guys.